Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about loops in Python. Students, there are two types of loops in Python. In this video I will discuss about while loop. While loop. Suppose if you want to print hello 5 times. For this work we have to use loops. If you don't want to write loops, then it is very difficult to print it. Suppose you have to print 5 times only, then you can write print hello 5 times. But if I tell you to print 100 times or 1000 times, then it is very difficult to print 1000 times by only print function. For this case, we have to use loop. First step is initialization. Second is condition. This is condition. This is a statement. A is equal to a plus 1. This is increment. And this is statement. This is statement, this is condition, and this is increment. You can see it. A is a variable and initial value is 1. And I have written here a less than equal to 5. This time in a value is 1 and this loop will run till value is 5 of a, and this loop will run again and again till value is 5 in a variable. If value become more than 5, then it will stop working. A equal to 1, a less than equal to 5, print hello, a equal to a plus 1. Means I want to start the loop from 1 and go to till 5. Print hello, a equal to a plus 1. Now I save this. DH loop. Run this program. You can see on the screen hello printed 5 times on the screen. Now if we want to print in one line, then we have to write this. You can see hello in one line 5 times. Now if I want to change the steps to, then how many times it will print? You can see output hello 3 times. You can see here a equal to 1, a less than 5, print hello. A is equal to a plus 2 means 3, and 3 less than 5, print hello. Again 3 plus 2 5, 5 less than 5, not less than 5 but equal to 5, then print hello. After 5, 5 plus 2 7, and 7 is not less than 5, so it will print only 3 times hello. You can see on the screen. If I write here 1, then it will print 5 times hello. Clear? Because this loop is running from 1 less than 5 to print hello. A equal to a plus 1 means value is equal to 2. 2 less than 5, print hello. 2 plus 1 3, 3 less than 5, hello. 3 plus 1 4, 4 less than 5, print hello. 4 plus 1 5, 5 less than 5, not less than 5 but equal to 5. This condition is true, then it will print hello. 5 plus 1 6, 6 less than 5, 6 is not less than 5, then it will came out from loop. I want to change this program. Suppose I want to print value from a to 1 to 5. Write here print and write this. You will see the output. This is indentation error because Python is based on indentation. If we give unnecessary space, then it will produce an error 1 to 5. You can see this program. A is 1, a equal to 1, a less than equal to 5. This condition is true, print a. Because value is 1, then it will print 1. 1 plus 1 2, 2 less than 5, yes, print 2. This will run 1 to 5. You can see on the screen. If I change this to, then output will be produce 1 3 5, because first time 1 less than 5, print 1. 1 plus 2 3, 3 less than 5, value is 3 in a, then it will print 3. 3 plus 2 5, 5 less than 5, not less than 5 but equal to 5, then it will print 5. 5 plus 2 7, 7 not less than equal to 5, then it will, okay. Now I want to change this program and want to print 1 to 10. You can see 1 to 10. If you want to print 1 to 100, only write 100. You can see the output on the screen. Okay. For you can see this while printing like this on the screen. Okay. You can see 1 to 100. If you want to print in reverse order, then you can also print 1 to 5. Start from 5 and less than equal to 1. Suppose you want to write here 100 and you want to also write 105. Then you can also print this value. Sorry, you can see 105. Okay. If we want to take another variable, suppose x, and x is 1, I want to print x and x equal to x plus 1. Then you can also see 1 to 5 output, 1 to